Nucypher, New, is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients. The organization has proactively seen progress in its short presence and looks ready to go on with its development later on. The venture empowers clients to have full command over their information while imparting it to others in a safe and confidential manner. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to fabricate decentralized applications that are safer and private than those based on the Ethereum public blockchain. Nucypher's group continues to deliver new updates and acquainting imaginative thoughts with the task, so it's no big surprise numerous dealers are anxious to know now what its future value and its potential most extreme cost will be. We should attempt to see if we will see the Nucypher value drop or ascend soon in our Nucypher figure. What is the Nucypher cryptographic money? Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization was established in 2017 by McLean Wilkerson, Michael Legrov, and Alexander Bussnies. Nucypher has brought $13 million up in financing from financial backers, like Fenbush Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable Capital. The Nucypher network comprises of three sections: Umbrel, a key administration framework that permits clients to encode and unscramble information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption. Nodes, servers that run the Nucypher programming and produce keys for the Umbrel framework. Proxy re-encryption keys, keys that are utilized to scramble and decode information in the Umbrel framework. Nucypher's primary use case is information security. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the fundamental information. Nucypher likewise offers information security as the keys used to scramble and decode information are put away on the Nucypher organization, i.e., out of the association. Long-haul new value forecast. It's difficult to make long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet. While certain tasks, as Nucypher, have a great deal going in support of themselves, numerous things can likewise turn out badly. Hence, we can truly make surmises about Nu's greatest and normal costs temporarily. In general, Nucypher has obvious objectives and a guide to accomplish them. Dissimilar to numerous other comparably imaginative crypto projects, it additionally has support both from its local area and organizations like investors. These are 2 out of 2 significant attributes any cryptographic money organization requirements to succeed, so we'd say Nucypher is by all accounts in good shape. There are a ton of Nucypher's cost expectations out there, including our own. Yet not a solitary one of them will be finished without some far-reaching specialized examination. You can track down the consequence of TradingView's examination of the new token underneath, refreshed progressively. Nucypher Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nucypher costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nucypher will be 18 cents. The most extreme level that the new cost can reach is 21 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 19 cents. New value conjecture for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Nucypher costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July, 17 cents. The most reduced and top new rates may be 17 cents and 19 cents. October 2022. Nucypher Value Gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the new cost will be around 18 cents. In August, the Nucypher cost might drop to at least 17 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 20 cents in August 2022. New value figure for November 2022. Having broke down Nucypher costs, digital currency specialists expect that the new rate could arrive at a limit of 20 cents in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 17 cents. For September, the estimated normal of Nucypher is almost 18 cents. December 2022, Nucypher Value Conjecture. Around mid-2022, the Nucypher cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 19 cents. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, The new cost could vary somewhere in the range of 18 cents and 21 cents. New Cipher Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of New Cipher in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of New Cipher will be around 27 cents. The greatest expected new cost might be around 32 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 27 cents in 2023. New Cipher Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of New Cipher, in 2024, New is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. New Cipher Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of New Cipher and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base new cost could drop to 55 cents, while its greatest can reach 66 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. New Cipher Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of New Cipher by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least new costs are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 83 cents. New Cipher Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of New Cipher. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical new cost will be around $1.19. It could drop to at least $1.16, yet it actually could reach $1.44 all through 2027. New Cipher Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready gauges at the cost of New Cipher. It is assessed that New will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.70 during the year. New Cipher Value Forecast 2029. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of New Cipher's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme new cost of $2.92. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $2.46. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.54. New Cipher Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the New Cipher cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their new cost